Hello, hi, good morning, everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Use masks, hand sanitizers. Save your life. Okay. It is my small effort that these small stories will be more useful to primary class students. These small moral stories are for you to stay at home and have fun during the pandemic situation. So, okay, now today we are telling about a new story. That name is Opportunity Knocks But Once. Opportunity means a possibility of doing something. It's a good choice for you. Okay, there is a saying, opportunities knock but once. So we must grab the opportunities that come our way and make the best use of them. Do not wait and say, I will get what is in my destiny at the right time. Some persons like these words. This fatalistic attitude takes you nowhere. Destiny means a thing in your future. So in this story, this following the small story will help you understand this. Okay, let us start the story. Once there was a flood in the town. All the people in the town moved safety place. But there was a man who said, I have faith in God. He will save me. So I don't go anywhere. When some people who were passed by called the man, come with us, we are going to the next town. So you are coming with me, saying the peoples. But the man refused those words. The God will save me. At that time, the flood water rose higher when the risk boat came to take the people away. But still, the man said, God will save me. Same words, saying. So, finally, the last choice, when a helicopter came to the risk the people in the town, but the man continued to say, I have faith in God. I am sure God will save me. Saying these words. But suddenly the flood water came. The man was washed away by the flood water. When the man reached the God, when the man asked the God, why don't you help me? I had so much faith in you. The God replied, yes, but who do you think sent the people, the risk boat and the helicopter to save you? Replied the God these words. So, in this story, we learnt what is the moral. Don't complain about lack of opportunities. There are many opportunities around. Once we should only know how and where to look for them. Thank you.